This week's blog is all about failing in order to succeed. So are you that kind of person that really sort of believes that you really do put yourself out there, but really you only put yourself out there as much as you know that you could really not fail? So is that really putting yourself out there? And how satisfying is that really at all? So what if we shifted our perspective on what failure really means? Attempting ideas and being creative and innovative, it really requires us to think differently and to think outside of the box, to be in a safe space where we can really think of things we never really have before, and to be courageous, and you don't know where that path is going to lead. So how often do you really do that? Question yourself and imagine a mindset where we did this all of the time and applied this to all areas of our life. Wonder what that would lead to. We really need creativity for our health as well. So to be creative is so not only good for the mind and body, but it's so good for the soul, because the soul needs to expand and grow and continue to evolve. You're constantly learning in the human body. And if you stunt that growth, as a kinesiologist, I see in my clinic all of the time, the body is designed to scream at us, to let us know, hey, you're not listening, wake up. So I think the body's pretty amazing in that way. So I encourage you to question today, how are you implementing creativity in your life? And are you being courageous enough to really fail in order to succeed? So I challenge everybody to do something that scares you every day. It's really good training for the brain. And do that at the start of the day. And expect that some paths will lead to unexpected of places. And sometimes that will lead to incredible places, which is really where real joy can be experienced and absorbed in the body. And one thing I know for sure is it's not just enough to recite affirmations and eliminate stress out of your life. All of those two things are very important. In all the research I've done on rapid recovery and also in my own story, one must seek joy. So to apply focus is a great thing, but implement joy at the same time. And you can really do no wrong there. So I think trying and giving it a go really is succeeding. So can we really redefine success in that way? And what kind of a world would we live in? And how would you show up in the world differently if you really believed that? So fail to succeed, or you'll never really know what you're capable of. Thanks.